up and to the left, down to the right. That's a noise that most of my patients make. Ugh. Ugh. It's like they're disgusted to be here.
I'm not here, just the pain.
No, you're tough and you're strong, okay?
Thanks.
There's your affirmations for you.
Yeah. One of the 1,500 that I repeat every day.
I am tough.
I am tough. I'm strong.
What's that, like, the dad, like, talking to his daughter, like, on Instagram? Have you seen that one? Like, I am tough, I am strong, I am beautiful.
Oh,
like, you know,
I feel like I know with their kids, like, when they're young. And when they're doing their daughter's hair, and they're like, I am beautiful. And the kid will say to the mirror, I am strong.
And they got, like, the cutest, they can't even say the words.
They're like 4.